What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know, so they attacking Buster your NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, people, boy, me I tell us I have some sad news again, my viewers and subscribers. But only just season he knows, people. You know what I mean? Because right now news has reached the NEWLINK now, people. And it is where a 24-year-old young man was cut down, people, on Olympic way in Kingston yesterday, people. And this man, who a lot of people know, people, because this man is a viral man, people, on social media, especially, people. Me I tell about Instagram, you understand? Yeah, this man was very viral on Snapchat and TikTok, because the man have a video, people, where he do something with a dolly and them, something like him a perform on dolly. No joke about him. You have a video where he sing one song, people, and I'm going to share that little piece of something people in viral video where a lot of people are talking about right now, people, about this man. And then they attacking boss. I go read the article and telling us some little details that may get pertaining to this. And yo, we got through these people. So that's what's the little piece of thing. You
know that already, man? Pretty fireban, baby, miss your solar. Hot fireban, miss your baby, P0PULAR.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So that's the man with them call JJ, people. A lot of people know him as JJ. You understand? Correct name is Jerry Williams, people. And I'm going to tell you now, viewers and subscribers. See, why this thing how the man them cut down this man, people. Why? Me don't even know how it said, people, because I'm going to read the article first, then we just go over this, because only just season he knows. Kingston, Jamaica. A man was killed along Olympic Way in Kingston yesterday afternoon after getting out of his car to view the damage after a traffic collision. That is Jerry Williams, 24, a businessman from Trelawney. Reports are that Williams and his child's mother were driving when on reaching a section of Olympic Way, a silver motor car bumped into the rear of the car. Williams stopped and got out of the vehicle to view the damage, and the occupants of the other car shot him. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Jaja says, Jaja knows my people. Well, this man and our people. Zane, viral man. A lot of people know him, people. No joke about it, because I say we're hundreds and hundreds of people are pour out them love for him, people. No joke, and I say them can't believe him gone. Zane, but there's a lot to this, my people. You get me, I say? Because definitely, it was a hit on his head, people. There was an hit on his head. Zane, them track him, everything, people, and them know what to do. Zane, cause what them do now, people, them bump him down back of the car. So as Zane come out, them are going to put it on him, people, because them knows that they want easy method where criminal use, you understand, when them want to get certain man, because enough man, to them crazy about them vehicle, people, you know what I mean? I mean, I go save me, you know what I mean? And a man go bumping at the back of your vehicle, and you go come out hungry and think, yeah, what this man you do? I idiot, this By the time he come out, people, you over the side, you say, boy, there was an argument, but there was no argument, people. The man then just pump it in him, then they just gone about them business. See, them not check for baby mother, him they want my viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. And you see where him come from, people? Trelawney, Jamaica. He was what? 24 years old, and them say him a businessman. Well, my viewers and subscribers, all of the news has reached to the NEWLINK about this thing, people, and said, this man used to do the dialing thing. No joke about it. So a lot of people are say, speculate people, and it is alleged. So you know, say, a lot of things can come from that dialing something. The people, they scam something, and we know that part they go. Which me don't know the man in person, my viewers and subscribers, you understand, but based on information we are come to the attacking boss, is that this man do him dialing thing, people. So me don't know if I want deal when it wrong or if some pickup go on and some this and that go on, people, and in the end, people, this is how them deal with the man. No joke about it, people. A lot of shot mates them give me, understand, over and body. By the time I reach hospital, my viewers and subscribers, him drop out. I'm tell people, this man was a viral man. Zane, I say video with the man, people, with dolly. The man have a dolly and put a dolly like him and the man just did it and a dolly, you know. But he was a man who a lot of people say they make him cheer up them day when them sad. Them day sad, then just go watch couple and video them people because he always have some fun videos and things. So he was a fun person, you understand? different from the other side where a lot of people are speculating and saying, do people are something the people, and yo, it's just sad for no my viewers and subscribers. See? I just saw Jamaica set right here now, people. You get me? No matter what difference people have nowadays, it's not like a man go come to you and say, yo brother, man, I'm tired of talk to you about these people. It's a different situation. Because you know a man that look on life people and know say, yo, if a man owe him some money or some money sitting go on and he get a cut people, and one time a man go look and say, no, say, if him gone, me now go get my money. It's a different situation and now people. A man just believe say him win when your 3 points gone. And that is how easy it is. You understand? You pay a man a money, a man may owe you 5 and you give a man 1, and easily people in go squeeze out and take out a man life just for you for 1. You understand? And you don't even think about the 5 saying where you 5 and that gone. Some man just different people. Some man on the art. Some man, yo. But I one thing I can't say enough viewers and subscribers. The Almighty sees and He knows. And for the crueltiness and the wickedness that we are doing on earth against our brothers and sisters, yo, there's a day we are going to come and we have to pay the price for them, see? And for the younger one, them in Jamaica, listen to me, I say, see? We have to choose a life that we want, you know what I mean? Because a lot of we youth, you know what I mean, at times being, we make a choice in our life because we can gain from it and we can succeed from it. We can have the nice car, we can have the nice clothes, we can impress you, man, and makes you feel good, makes you feel nice, you understand? But what are the consequences that can come behind this? See? We have to think about that part. No joke about it. See? Because it don't make no sense. We're happy for this year, happy for next year, happy for the next 2 years, that our 4. And when I reach the 5th year, what happen, people? 3 points gone. Left for the look of baby upon the suckling. Left for the look of baby. Just I got to start basic school. Okay. It makes sense? No. You know what I mean? So me as a youth always tell the youth them, so look at the man, certain things the better we need to do. See, I'm going to talk about that dialing thing, people, because a lot of people will lose them life. Me I tell these viewers and subscribers, I just through information never go out and people never know certain things. But a lot of things that do happen, people, me I tell you, if you know, say, yo, I just one phone call cause it, people. You understand? And one money will come in and one look of food. See? And them tell you about eating, people. The love of money is the what? The root of all evil. But viewers and subscribers, I can't tell you them for the money. You know? Just try to do the right thing. See? A lot of youth do the right thing and them still get them 3 points taken away from them. Because of what? You can't be a friend where you know, don't. You can't be a family member, don't. You know what I mean? A lot of different side to it, people. But me just always say, youth, you better you do that, do the right thing. You get me? I say, just do the right thing. That's all I can say. So, rest in peace, you know. What them call him, man, baby father, JJ. You understand? A lot of people know him as our Dolly man or anything what they want to call him. Rest in peace. And my condolences to the family of him, people, and to him, you know what I mean? Baby mother and them thing they cause. A lot of friends are mourn female and something. I mean, I say a lot of female are mourn female people. Because when I check social media, I say love overflow for the man. So rest in peace again. You don't know people, viewers and subscribers, only just sees and he knows the people. So if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as the attacking boss drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, people, and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great and be safe out there. I don't know. Full force, fully attack.